Well, hey, everybody, I'm Moni Phelps. I run the holocene group at Cross Country Mortgage, and I'm joined today by Heather Gill. She is with eXp Realty, runs her team there. Very great team. We had a question, Heather, come into texas.care that I thought you would be the absolute best person to answer. And the question is, what do we do with an outdated home that needs repairs or updates to sell?
Wonderful question. This is a very common thing, especially if you've inherited a house or grandma and grandpa passed, y'all have inherited it, or maybe you just have lived in the house for a very long time and you're thinking of downsizing. There are some options for you. Of course, you can always take out a loan to do it. Monty, I know that you handle those kind of loans. So let's say HELOC and what was the other one?
Cash out refinance.
Yeah, cash out refinance. Yeah. So Monty can definitely help with that if that's your option. And he's great at doing that kind of stuff. Outside of that, there are some services that are around that let you pay at closing. There are some contractors and some companies that do this. One that I partner with is Curbio, and they just come in and they kind of modernize the home. So they take the shag carpet out, the avocado appliances, if it's really that outdated, they come in and they flip that around. They make it, nice and fresh with the current color schemes and whatever the colors of the moment. And they get it to a point where you can sell it for top dollar, because if you don't make those updates, then you're not going to sell it for top dollar. But this is also an option. So let's say that you have an outdated house that needs repairs. Maybe it needs a lot of repairs. Maybe the HVAC system's getting kind of old. Maybe you need to do some foundation work, some plumbing work. I've also got a whole phone book full of investors who would be happy to just give you a cash offer. So there's always the cash offer option as well. In fact, in addition to that, my company, eXp Realty, we've partnered with a major national brand who has this as their business model. They come in, they offer to buy it cash, they buy it cash, and then they renovate it, and then they turn around and they resell it. So I can also go that route as well, if that makes more sense for your situation. Really, when it comes down to this kind of question, though, I love to look at the house with you in person and talk with you about your comfort level and then help you make that next step. So definitely get in touch with me so we can talk about that and see what would work best for your situation.
Yeah, wow, that's great. So I agree. Just call Heather, email her, and give her some of the details. Y'all go look at it, and that's going to be the best way to get started. Your number and email are right there on the screen for everybody. That's the best way to contact you. We really appreciate you coming on and doing this today, and look forward to talking to you again.
Awesome. Thanks, Monty.